Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with the icon changer app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store app because we should first get the icon changer app from the Play Store. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap the open button to open the app. And you'll see here all of the available applications on your device, which icons you could change. For example, let's change the phone icon. We could just rename it by tap here on the edit icon. Here we got library with different folders with the icons which we could use. And also we got here photo section. We got here the gallery section where we could find the photos from the device gallery previously taken on the device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, you could take a picture right now in camera app. So now let's just find one from the similar to the phone icon. Let's find it. For example, this is the contacts one. Okay, this one. After that, just tap on the right upper corner to OK. Just wait a couple of seconds and tap the to close button to skip the ads. Click to add, and now we could see that the shortcut to phone added to home screen. We could change the next icon or to go to the desktop directly. So we could see here that the phone shortcut created successfully. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.